विश्राम, सावधान, झंडा सलामी अवस्था में.
Let us now join the prayer. हम सब भारतवासी भाई बहन हैं.
Adoor, headed by Honorable Assistant Commissioner Shri PATIL Ramesh Abhimanyu, and along with HMs and principals of various Vidyalayas.
That's all for today's news. Thank you and have a great day.
a demonstrative ability to perform to the best of one's ability. It's now time to honor and reward some of the exceptional achievements of our students in academics as well as sports. In the academic year 2022-23, 22 students of class 12 scored more than 90%, out of which 18 were from science and 4 from commerce. 12 students scored A1 in all subjects, and they have also been awarded cash prize by CBSE. 2 students from class 10 were awarded cash prize by CBSE for their exceptional performance. Let me now request our Honorable AC Sir, SHRI PATIL, to felicitate them. We begin with the achievers in academics, starting with the toppers of CBSE Class 12 exams. Ganga Suresh of Class 12, first in science stream. Meghna of Class 12, first in science stream. Ajna Ajit of Class 12, first in commerce stream. Moving on to achievers in the sports department. Now the talents of our budding stars from the primary section. May I request our Honorable Assistant Commissioner, Shri R.A. Patil Sir, to kindly release the primary newsletter, Dhwani. A big round of applause for all our primary kids. Provides an opportunity for our tiny tots to showcase their talents, their aspirations, memories, and
members of inspecting team, Host Principal Sri Rakesh ji, lovely teachers and the children. I must thank KV Adoor for the multiple welcomes. We have it in the morning, and now as we are attending the morning assembly of second shift. In the morning, we had some time, we spent some quality time, in fact, with the first shift children. And now we are getting this opportunity to be with the second shift. But as far as the impression that I have gathered is, whenever we go to other schools, we compare them vis-a-vis the previous schools we have visited. Here it is slightly different. Here, where we have already watched, observed, monitored, inspected the first shift followed by second shift. So the comparison part is natural. And with the little time that we have observed you, I can say with certainty that both the shifts are at par. It seems, in fact, going by the number of prizes presented, I can say the number of prizes in second shift are more. So I would like to seek your excuse for having this kind of comparison, but it is inevitable. That's what I feel. And again, it is credited to you all. So it is, one institution, and it is only here that I have realized for the first time that KV Adoor is competing with KV Adoor itself. And that is the best part. Competing with self will lead you to your progress and further whatever visions or career objectives you have envisioned, you all will be having those and will see those goals, achievements and objectives being materialized in the years to come. Another difference is you are being inconvenienced because of the scathing heat of sun. In fact, some students had been standing against the direct sunlight. So, barring that, there are, I didn't see any other difference. And going by achievements, again, the morning assembly, the assembly I would say now, because it was not held in morning, it was afternoon morning assembly I would call it rather. So, was exemplary. The song, probably it was in Chhattisgarhi, but quite amazing. And many of you must have felt like dancing. The rhythm in the, prayer, it was slightly different, though it's a different shift. It may be because of the percussion instrument, that is tabla. The boy also deserves applause. So your first impression has to be last impression. Should I expect? Thank you and wish you all the best. We are here today. We'll have some time with you and we'll be here tomorrow too. Thank you. Wish you all the best.